Welcome back to the channel, AspieTravels. Today we've been out for some lunch with family members to celebrate their golden wedding anniversary. There was 4 adults and two kids, and we went to a restaurant called Hambleton Hall in Rutland in the United Kingdom, which has a Michelin Star. I was quite shocked by the amount of cost for a family of 4 to have lunch, which didn't even include any wine pairings. As you can see from the video, we had 4 starters, 4 main courses, 3 desserts, and 1 cheese board, which was a selection of 5 cheeses off the trolley. The kids both had sausage and mash with vegetables. One had ice cream, one had strawberries, but the kids basically didn't eat it because it was too posh for kids. As you can see from the total bill, nearly £700 English. Would you eat here? If you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and leave a comment on whether this is something you would eat, or whether you think it's extortionately expensive for what it is. See you in the next one.